Introducing our TSFD rear light, combining compact efficiency with horizontal integration for a clean and powerful fender-mounted design. The TSFD is a high-performance rear light engineered for everyday reliability. Delivering a powerful 7,200 MCD output with 240-degree wide visibility, it provides all-around safety and illumination that's visible from any angle. Designed for direct installation on the rear fender, it blends seamlessly with your bike's shape for a sleek and integrated look. With an IP56 rating, it's protected against dust and high-pressure water, ensuring durability in every environment. Fully compliant with KMark, ISO 6742, and EN 15194 CE standards, the TSFD is built for both e-bikes and EPAC systems. The package includes the light with a 140 cm cable, the fender mount with the screws and the nut for direct mounting, and the CT22 connector for easy installation. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.